Hi, hello, namaste, my dear friends and students. How are you? I hope you're fine. Today I came with a new trick and a new video. Today I wanted to discuss with you trigonometry super speed VIP question 80th part. I am very happy to say you already I have uploaded 79 VIP questions from trigonometry chapter. So please go through those all questions. You will get 100% sure success. Highly demanded question from the students is, if a plus b plus c equals to pi, then show that cos 2a plus cos 2b minus cos 2c is equals to 1 minus 4 sin a sin b cos c. Aims day to success solution. Aims day to success మీ చింత ఉండగా మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ అంటే భయం ఎందుకు దండగా. My name is Krishna Reddy, founder of Aparnika Reddy Institute of Mathematics and Sciences. Aims day to success made in India. I hope you understand, my dear students. Now I wanted to start a solution. VIP is always VIP. VIP बोले तो very important previous question. So VIP question. Now I am writing given value. Given a plus b plus c is equals to pi. Pi is 180. So a plus b is equals to 180 minus c. This part I will use later. So next I am writing LHS value. LHS value is cos 2a plus cos 2b minus cos 2c. So this value is look like cos c plus cos d. I will write formula, my dear students. Cos c plus cos d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Here c is equals to 2a, d is equals to 2b. You can substitute in the formula. Okay, we get 2 into cos of c plus d by 2, that is 2a plus 2b by 2, into cos of c minus d by 2, that is 2a minus 2b by 2, minus cos 2c. Don't disturb cos 2c as it is, you can write it. Next 2 into cos of numerator 2 common, the remaining value is a plus b by 2, into cos of same 2 is common, remaining value is a minus b by 2, minus cos 2c is same. So this can be written as 2 into cos of 2 get cancelled both cases, remaining value is a plus b, 2 cos a plus b into cos a minus b minus cos 2c. So according to our given value, a plus b plus c equals to 180, a plus b is equals to 180 minus c. So here I wanted to substitute a plus b is equals to 180 minus c. We get 2 into cos of a plus b value is 180 minus c into cos of a minus b minus cos 2c is same. So my dear students, I will write formula here. Cos 180 minus theta is cos theta minus cos theta. Cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. Next cos 2 theta formula in terms of cos 2 cos square theta minus 1. So these values substitute here, we get it 2 into cos 180 minus c is minus cos c into cos of a minus b. After minus you can open the bracket. Okay, if you not write bracket you will get a wrong answer. So my dear students, after minus you should write bracket. Cos 2c formula is 2 cos square c minus 1. So here plus into minus is minus 2 cos c into cos of a minus b, minus multiply inside we get minus 2 cos square c minus into minus plus 1. So this constant 1 you can write first. So 1 minus 2 cos c into cos of a minus b minus 2 cos square c. So here this can be written as 1. From these two values I wanted to take minus 2 cos c is common, the remaining value is cos of a minus b. Here minus we have taken minus common, so you can write plus. Why? Because plus into minus minus 2 cos c went outside common, the remaining value is cos C. Okay, according to the given value a plus b plus c is equals to 180 implies c is equals to a plus b coming into right side 180 minus of a plus b. This value you can substitute here. We get 1 minus 2 cos c into cos of a minus b plus cos c. C का value 180 minus of a plus b. Here my dear students, you can use one formula. Cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. So according to this concept 1 minus 2 cos c is the same, cos of a minus b also same, cos of 180 minus of a plus b is minus cos of a plus b. So one more formula, last formula my dear students, cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b is equals to 2 sin a sin b. Cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b is 2 sin a sin b. According to that we get 1 minus 2 cos c into cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b is 2 sin a sin b. So next value 1 minus 2 into 2 is 4. Write serial sin a sin b cos c is our required RHS. I hope you understand my dear students. If you satisfied with my explanation, please subscribe our channel, support with us, share to your friends, like and comment to this video. If you wanted to get like this type of or different type of questions, so many interesting VIP questions are there in the description box. This description box is in below of this video. I hope you understand. Please go through those all questions, listen carefully, learn carefully. 100% sure success will come to you automatically. Study is one of the part in your life my dear students, so please don't neglect studies in your life. Practice makes man perfect. Practice keeps a student top level. So my dear students, without pain you can't gain, without learn you can't earn marks. A friend in need, a friend indeed. ఆపదలు ఆదుకునేవాడే నిజమైన స్నేహితుడు. నీ నిజ జీవితంలో మీకు ఉపయోగపడిన మీ నిజమైన స్నేహితురాల్ని మర్చిపోకండి. కలిసిపోయే స్నేహమా, విడిపోకునే ఇష్టమా? సో మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, ప్రార్థించే పెదవుల కన్నా సాయం చేసే చేతులే మిన్న. జాయ్ ఆఫ్ షేరింగ్ ఈజ్ కేరింగ్ అండ్ హెల్పింగ్. సేవ్ పేపర్స్, సేవ్ ట్రీస్. పచ్చని చెట్లు ప్రగతికి మెట్లు. సో మీరు జీవితంలో ఒక మొక్కనన్న నాటి ప్రతిరోజు మొక్కకు నీళ్లు పోసి అది ఎదుగుతున్న కొద్దీ చూడండి మీరు కూడా ఎదుగుతారు. సో ఎదిగిన కొద్దీ ఒదగమని మొక్కలో అర్థం ఉన్నది. సో మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, ఐ విష్ యూ ఆల్ ద వెరీ బెస్ట్ ఇన్ యువర్ ఫ్యూచర్. సో మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఐ విష్ యూ ఆల్ ద వెరీ బెస్ట్. థ్యాంక్ యూ. టేక్ కేర్. బై. టు గెట్ సక్సెస్, ఏ ఫ్రెండ్ ఇన్ నీడ్, ఏ ఫ్రెండ్ ఇన్ డీడ్. ఆపదలో ఆదుకునేవాడే నిజమైన స్నేహితుడు. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you satisfied with my explanation, please subscribe our channel, support with us, share to your friends, like, comment to this video. Thank you. सबका मालिक एक है. ప్రార్థించే పెదవుల కన్నా సాయం చేసే చేతులే మిన్న. జాయ్ ఆఫ్ షేరింగ్ ఈజ్ కేరింగ్ అండ్ హెల్పింగ్.